So what I try and do is we'll go to the Metastock software and I will tell you how to form this indicator or this modified RSI indicator. So all you have to do is follow these 3 key steps. First, place the price charts. Start with a simple moving average or moving average of your choice, and then use the RSI indicator and form this using this special moving average which you use on the chart. So okay, so this is the basic charts for okay. So what we'll do first is we'll use a moving average. We'll drop a moving average to the prices, say a conventional 13 moving average, simple or exponential. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll form up an RSI, and then RSI is calculated on the moving average. So this is what typically a modified RSI looks like. And to again look at the RSI or to give you signals of breakout and breakdowns, you use a small simple moving average. So मैं आपको डिटेल में बताता हूँ ये मैंने कैसे किया. So what we did was we first selected the stock. We then selected a particular moving average. So over here I've used 13 exponential moving average, 13 being a Fibonacci number. I typically use those Fibonacci numbers 13, 21, 33, 34, etc. as numbers for my set of calculations. After dropping the moving average, what we do is typically when RSI is calculated or shown on the charts, it is based on closing prices. But what I've done is, rather than using closing prices, I have formed up the indicator and calculated this on the moving average. So moving average, we all know that it's already smoothened. So हमने RSI को भी smoothening effect दे दी using the moving average. So as you can see, once we do that, we use these breakout points, these toggle points. As you can see that the prices moves up, the RSI gives you a breakout, and then you see the change in prices. The prices starts to trend for itself. When RSI gives you a reversal, the prices will go into a downtrend. When RSI makes a comeback again, the prices will start an uptrend for itself.